Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I did this red shimmer eyeshadow look and oh my god, this turned out to be so good. You can see if look is perfect for occasions, festives and everything. Wedding guest makeup bhi kar sakte ho, festive mein bhi kar sakte ho, anywhere possible. So if you want to know how I created this look, so please keep on watching. Moisturize my face with this Joey's Gold Moisturizer. Because this is the day look, I have to use a sunblock. Last video में मैं भूल गई थी, but I let you guys know कि sunblock is very important. तो I'm using the Ocea's sunblock SPF 40 में. So I'm just gonna put it. I'm using my Maybelline primer. This primer is so good, I can't stress enough on this one. ये बहुत अच्छा है. So I'm just gonna apply it on my T-zone. That's it. I bought a new concealer. This is by Lakme Absolute Mousse Concealer. Formulation is good, I feel. जब मैंने वो लगा के देखा मतलब कोई स्पॉट्स ही हाइड नहीं कर रहा था, बट स्टिल आई वाज लाइक ओके फाइन. मैंने 2 बार लगाया है, 2 कोट लगाया है मैंने, फिर भी थोड़ा सा कुछ तो दिखा है. आई डोंट रिकमेंड इट टू यू गाइज. I bought this Color Essence का फाउंडेशन. I've used Color Essence foundation. It's pretty good. मुझे अच्छा लगता है Color Essence का formulation and everything. So this is the bottle. This retails for 750 में. मुझे I got it for like 650 discount में. This bottle is pretty sturdy and open किए तो it's like this. So just gonna take 2 pumps. So see, it's very thick foundation. This has a scent, so sensitive skin के लिए it's not good. I give this foundation a 8 by 10. This is not so good but still good. I liked it. मैंने बस मेरा रोज़िप सीरम मिक्स करके I put the second coat. Now I'm just setting my base with NYX setting spray. I bought this from Lakme. This is the Lakme Naturals finishing powder and let me tell you, this is so good. ये बहुत अच्छा है. Really recommend this one, but not the mousse concealer one. Okay, so going on to eyeshadow, I'm using this red color eyeshadow. I'm just taking a little and tapping off the excess product. Now I'm blending it out on my outer V and just blending it out properly and doing like a wing liner type of thing. Doing a V and going in my crease, not too much, just a little bit. And blending it all with a fluffy brush. Then I'm going to be taking this bronzy brown shade and applying it only in my lid area and not going through the inner corners, only in the middle. Then I'm going to be taking this champagne shade. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. and applying it near my inner corners, just like that. Then I'm taking the red shade again and blending it out in my crease area. I'm going to be taking a little bit of black shade, not too much, and applying it around my V where we place the red shade first and giving it a deep look. Then I'm going to be taking the same red shade and applying it on my lower lash line. I'm going to be taking this bronzy shade from the palette. This is the new palette and I loved this so much. This looked so good. Then I'm just filling in my brows. For lipstick, I'm applying the Maybelline's lipstick in the shade Raw Cocoa. This is very nude lipstick. Then I applied mascara, my Maybelline Colossal Mascara. So yeah guys, I'm done with this look. I wore some gold jewelry. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. Till then, stay safe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.